We're back in Katie.
At last.
Lockdown. Restrictions have been eased.
Rosedale Abbey.
Ooh, which is in North Yorkshire.
Moors. The North Yorkshire Moors.
North Yorkshire Moors.
Yeah. So I've never been there before, but looking forward to it. It's got something very special there. It's got England's steepest road. So we're going to test the e-bikes out on that. That should be interesting.
And we're going to head over to Whitby at some point on the bikes. Hopefully again, we've got enough power to get us there.
Yeah, it's 17 miles each way, so it's not too far in distance, but it's quite hilly. So I've calculated we've just about got enough battery power to get us there and back.
Yeah, but when you've eaten all them fish and chips, you're going to be at least a stone heavier.
Yeah, we're hoping for some Whitby fish and chips. Ooh. Oh, can't wait.
Fabulous.
Well, here we go. Great to be back on the bikes again.
Literally, you arrive somewhere and he's got us on the bikes. There's just no stopping us here. Straight out, eh babes? And it looks like it's going to pour with rain.
Why waste any time? So here we are. One of the main attractions of coming here, apart from the beautiful countryside around it, is to ride up this hill. Steepest hill in England, half a mile. Watched it online, lots of people struggling. And I'll shut up now because somebody's chopping trees down. Well, that's even tough on E. Oh, didn't use full power. What power did you use? Yeah, me too.
Still hard work.
This is hard work. Yeah.
Poor lads, I've not got electric. Coming up the hill. Oh God, I can feel my heart beating.
Should have warmed up. My lungs weren't stretched and nared up before. But my God, that was still hard.
Incredible.
There we are. Chimney Bank.
Oh.
It's steep, very steep. That looks a bit too deep for me. Do you realise this is the first ford that I've chickened out of riding through?
That is quite deep.
It's quite deep, quite big, quite long. Yeah.
That is, yeah.
I'll gladly not do that one. See what I mean? That is not really a ford, is it? That's a full-on river. Who lives there? Well, our house is nearly ready.
Yes, about completed.
Wow.
Found it. Had to Google it. Oh, it's called Ravenswick Hall. So where they were mowing, that was the staff houses.
Yeah.
Your little hidey hole
Yeah.
was called the Palm House and Kitchen Garden.
Yeah.
And the other one is Ravenswick Hall.
And who lives there?
That would be nice. I don't know. I haven't got that much information.
Okay, we're going to find out, and if we can find out, we'll put it in the description below or in the video.
Yeah. It's a country house designed in the classical manner by a country house architect. So it's just a house. It's not even a hotel. It's just a house.
I thought it was Buckingham Palace.
Family home on a grand scale. Oh, really?
The biggest house I've ever seen. Biggest of a new build I've ever seen.
The client is a regular visitor with his family and is very hands-on. Wow, he's a local.
Well, if you see this video, come and invite us for tea.
That would be nice. It's amazing anyway. Looks gorgeous.
Well, it's been a while. March the 20th, probably, something like that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, I've missed you.
Cheers.
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 Oh, tastes even better.
It's better not in a can like it has been on our bike rides.
First meal out in how long?
3.5 months.
Compliments to the chef. What is it?
Chicken risotto
Chicken risotto.
with mushrooms.